Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Sanket Signals. Today we're breaking down Coherent Corp, ticker COHR. The price has reached a key demand zone after running for a while. Now, zooming into our daily chart, we see a major downfall along with the border AI stock pull down. And after that downtrend line, price broke into an uptrend, reacted off a major supply zone, and has now started falling back down right into our zone again. Here's what makes this setup interesting. First, we had a sharp down around here, and bulls took over a hard push, pushing the price around $223, right? I mean, bears took over, pushing the price down to as low as $222. Now, and it the bulls took over the market and pushed the price way up to over 70%. That's an aggressive push from buyers. It didn't quite break the previous highs, but it clearly did clear a lot of supply zones along the way. Since then, the downtrend has been choppy. The red candles and bearish moves have been slow and weak, which tells me price could either erupt back upwards from here or consolidate for a while before making its next move. Given that AI stocks are broadly strong right now, I'm leaning optimistic that this consolidates and then pushes high. I've marked this weekly zone a clean drop based candle if you see in this weekly time frame. Also, this is backed by volume above average, and zooming in further, we can see there was a gap up open. If you see, this was a gap up open right here, and again there was a big gap up opening right here. uh, After the gap up open, the bears took control around this level and the price closed below the price, but the next day the bulls stepped in back in and drove price up into a major supply zone where it's now pulling back again as expected. On the top of that structure, once price reaches this level, it could complete a double bottom pattern as well, which is a strong signal for a long-term setup. Now, my plan is to gather some position around 250 with a stop loss below our monthly EMA 20 and around 208, which would be my stop loss. And the target should be at least 1:2 ratio, and that would make my reward around $370, which is over 2 times the risk, and which is a solid ratio. One thing worth noting is that trending AI stocks move fast in both directions. The upside can be dramatic, but so can the downside. So a firm stop loss is essential here. I'll be watching how tomorrow's candle closes before adding to the position, especially since most AI names are consolidating today while Nvidia remains a little high, which could signal upside for the group this week or next. And that's a breakdown on Coherent for today. If you want more in-depth video on this, drop a comment and I'll make one. Thanks for watching, share it with your trading friends, and subscribe for more.